look at the view. The view is phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal. Look at that. That's a beauty. Good morning, people. How are you all doing today? Hope you all having a wonderful day. Today's vlog is going to be very interesting. You guys are going to love it. The vlog is about a Satria Neo versus a Mini Cooper. It's nothing to do with the car, because obviously a Mini Cooper is faster than a Satria Neo or better than a Satria Neo, but it's about the exhaust. So to be exact, 3 weeks ago I saw a Mini Cooper and I fell in love with how the exhaust looked like, how the design was. Obviously I own a Satria Neo and I didn't really like how my exhaust looks like, but I loved the sound of the exhaust. Without further ado, I went to the exhaust shop and I asked them whether can I customize my exhaust, like how does the Mini Cooper looks like. We went back and forth and I chose the exhaust tip that I wanted to change, and you know what, I did it. If you guys want to know about my exhaust, I'm sorry if it's windy and you guys can't hear me clearly. I'll try my best to talk louder. So about the exhaust, it was a spoon exhaust. My friend Kabilin, he gave me this exhaust. Actually, he didn't give me, I bought it from him second hand. It's quite an expensive exhaust, so I didn't really like the look of it, but I really love the sound of it. So what I did is, since I saw a Mini Cooper exhaust and I really liked it, I just wanted to change the tip of it, and I didn't know whether it was possible or not. So I went to the exhaust shop, I paid him extra to make sure that I can make that happen, and you know what, I made it happen. Here's a clip of me doing this exhaust. It's not much, but yeah, just a clip of that. Well, that was me customizing my exhaust, and you know what, now we are going to do a comparison of a Mini Cooper versus a Satria Neo. Damn, it's windy here. I hope you guys can hear me. Yes, I'm using a mic so that you guys can hear me properly. Even though it's bloody hot right here, and you know what, the view is beautiful. Shut up, dog. I'm vlogging. Even though it's steaming hot right here, I'm vlogging because the view is beautiful. I like to vlog in beautiful places. I know nobody gives a shit about that. The first challenge is the start challenge. Let's see how a Mini Cooper starts and a Satria Neo starts. You know what, I'll just play the clip side by side so that you guys can see the comparison. Here you go.
Round 1.
Next is the revving challenge. The wind.
Round 2.
I'm not going to be talking much. You know what, I'm just going to play a Mini Cooper first, and then after that I'm going to play the Satria Neo. Then you guys can enjoy the video properly without me interrupting in between. That is all for the video for today. Dog, shut up, I'm vlogging. That is all for the video for today. I will see you guys next week and I want you all to take care and peace.